Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramalalitya Art World. This is my first ever get ready with me video. It is also a makeup tutorial video. In this video, I am going to show you how I do makeup for my classical dance performance. The first thing I do before starting makeup is face wash. Cleansing my face to start with a fresh and clean base. It is important to remove any oil or dirt before applying makeup. Now let me show you my makeup products. So these are my makeup products. First, I am going to start my makeup with foundation. Here I am using water to apply foundation to my face. Choose your foundation color according to your skin tone. Applying foundation evenly to create a smooth and flawless base. This helps the makeup stay intact during the performance. Apply foundation both front and back side of your neck. Now I am using compact powder. Setting the foundation with compact powder. It controls shine and gives a matte finish, perfect for stage lights. Now I am doing my eyebrows. Filling in and shaping my eyebrows. Strong, defined brows are essential in classical dance to highlight expressions. Now I am doing my eye makeup. Lining the eyes with kajal to make them look bold and dramatic. This enhances eye expressions or Nayana Bhinaya in dance. Now I am going to give some shape to my nose. Contouring the sides of my nose to give it a defined shape. This adds depth and enhances facial symmetry for stage visibility. Now I am using highlighter. It gives shining to your face. Now I am applying cheek rose. So now eyeshadow makeup. This is my favorite part. Use your favorite colors or any color that makes your eyes even more beautiful. Here I am using dark green and red color. Now I am applying lip line. So this is optional one, but if you apply lip line before applying lipstick, then it will be even more beautiful. So this is my sticker. Use big size stickers. Now I am applying white tilakam. So finally now I am applying lipstick. I am using dark red shade. You can use whatever color you want, either red or dark red. I don't prefer pink or brown shades. Yes, finally this is my makeup. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this video ends here. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.